got knocked their teeth out. Come and hit them, bro. Like a family, dude. We gotta play like a family, bro. Y'all gotta talk. Y'all gotta communicate. We a family. We're gonna come out here and we're gonna hit them hard.
I told you I want everything you had left. Start flying around this field.
Yeah, you drug him 20, 30 yards, man. I love it. That's the way to run.
Go away, Larry.
You got your cleats?
How you dealing with this whole time?
Time out. 4.
You're going to create too much space. Okay,
What happens if you don't have your hand up there?
You're going to have a lot of recoil because there's nothing that's bouncing, you know what I'm saying? So when you have that recoil is when it bounces out a little and you have to reach for it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, whenever he snaps, he needs to be trying to hit his butt with the ball. Slap the ball up against your butt.
Ready, set,
Keep
go.
your hand up there. Just like that. Just like
Try
that.
to stay right there.
You want to receive it. You want to receive it. Okay. What end do you want to defend? Okay, so we're going to turn this way. Let's get it. Stay one. Stay with the firm.
Where's Wilkes? I see y'all.
All right, shake hands.
Good luck.
Let's have a good game.
There's only one person representing North Wilkes, huh?
Hey, come on, boys. Come on, boys.
Go, boys! Oh, it's like that.
Oh, yeah.
Raiders kick off. Dirty Birds on the return. Brought down. On the return, number 52, Braylon Piles. Takes a snap. Handoff. You're alone. The handoff. Oh, he has a lot of room. Sets it up.
Go!
Now back to pass. Pass complete. 6. Hey. Hurricane Raiders 0.
Hey, Bum, that's the way to run it, my man. And that gave me goosebumps. I love it.
Hold on to that thing.
I love
He
it.
was trying his dangest.
Yeah, he was trying. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you drug him 20, 30 yards, man. I love it.
That was a good move.
That's the way to run.
When number 5 was on the
All day, you hear me?
He's gone.
Great pass. Good read. Straight.
Oh!
He goes out of bounds. The pitch. Still alone. The carry up the middle. Cuts it back. Carry by number 24. Back to pass. Pass complete. Pass complete number. Takes it out. He cuts it up. First down.
Copy on YouTube.
Back to pass. Pass incomplete. Took it down for the Raiders. Back to pass. Pass is incomplete. Takes a snap. He's to the outside. Puts it up. Getting right on the carry. On tackle. Takes a snap. Turnover down. believe it was number 52.
I was confused because I thought it was
Braylon Powell.
All they're doing is holding you at the end.
Yeah.
They're going at you and trying to hold you.
Shoot the gap. Shoot the gap. You're attacking the man. Shoot the gap. All right.
Are you off again? Yep. All people got trophies for that.
Carried by number 1, Bumgarner.
Hey, watch on the screen. Go. Go, get him.
On the carry again. Bumgarner. Hand off again to that man again. And on the inside. Bumgarner. Hand off. On the carry.
Good job, Paul. Good job.
Number 52.
Yes, still one.
I like the pass. Pass is incomplete. Pass is incomplete. Kick is up.
Kick off!
They weren't even trying to block me.
Say what?
You only backing on defense?
Yeah, we're going with that original defense. Starting there. He'll be open when they got that little safety back deep. That will be the open route. You just throw it up.
So read safety.
Let our big man go get it.
Kicks off. Return number 4. Back to pass. Pass complete.
Smoke your man, smoke your man.
Back to pass. Pass is incomplete.
Turn it on, turn it on.
Back to pass. Pass is incomplete.
Go.
Change the snap. Oh, nice tackle. Change the snap. What's the other one?
That way, Drew.
Sheets.
Hey, 4-2. Hey, Drew. Pass.
Back to pass. Pass is incomplete. He throws. Pass incomplete.
Hey, keep fighting, keep fighting. All right, come here. Every play. You hit him.
Pass!
Pass! Pass is incomplete. Turn up on down.
Stop!
The handoff. Up the middle, get right.
Hey, now. Go, 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 go.
Throws. Pass intercepted.
Go, 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 go. Get the ball.
Time to pull it off.
Okay, stop him, boys. Stop him.
Back to pass.
Out, 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 out. Oh.
Throw
Get it,
complete.
get it.
He cuts it up.
Get the ball. Get the ball. The ball is moving.
Right up, he got off the 20. Taylor. Throws. Pass complete again. Good move. Still going. Oh. Nice hit by Gimbray. But the reception was made by number 16. Pass complete. On the left sideline. Ty Bumgarner. Back to pass. Pass. Oh. Throw. Completion. Jack of all trades, Taylor on the reception. Throws. Pass incomplete. Big play.
It's the tightest person, then it's Hayden, then it's you, and then the next. It's gonna be direct snap. Hey, line, I need you guys to hold that block so Rocket can get the snap and take off. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Hey, we have 24 seconds and I have 2 timeouts left, so we can get this in there. We gotta punch it in there. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is only a 2-score game.
We're right here.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Raiders on 3. Let's fucking do this. 1, 2, 3, Raiders!
Takes the snap. The outside.
Everybody breathe, guys. Hey, come on. Who's my time? Calm down. We need to try left side. Left side. We're gonna do the same play the opposite way, with all that room.
Riding, and then at the last moment, get down, make a pile for me, okay? You got all these pads on, you're not gonna get.
Hey, y'all got this. Let's go. Hey, other side. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Takes the snap. Up the middle. He's been sick. However, we have Dirty Doggy on the field.
Go, baby!
There you go. Whoa.
You good, Paul? Guys, listen. We've got our head in the ball game right now. Okay? We've got to get our head back in this ball game. All right? Quit shifting and doing your own thing and let's do our assignments. Okay? Guys, if we do our assignments, there's no way. There's no way they can gain a yard. But we've got to do our assignments. Start communicating here. I've not seen much communicate tonight. Communicate with one another, okay?
Some of y'all are out on the field and we're screaming at you from the sidelines and you're not listening. Okay? You got to listen to us, do what we tell you to do. Even when you're on the field, they haven't started to play yet. When we're on offense, we ain't started to play yet. You hear me scream, Jackson, you can look over at me. Cannon should hear it too. All right? Look over at me. Let me tell you, fix something. When I'm screaming at you, it's because I got to fix something. All right, now, go back to running the ball. All right? I know they're blitzing a lot. Line, that guard trap. If you do your assignment and you block hard, that's going to be a 1-play touchdown right up the middle of the gut. All right? Especially if they got that little safety back deep. Honestly, even if they got that big safety back deep, we're gonna score on that.
He plays more up though.
Yeah, bum out runs him.
The bigger
That's
safety.
good.
Line, it all starts with you. Y'all got to block and block hard. All right? Backs, you got to know where you got to line up. You got to line up right. That's hurt us. What's hurt us now? I mean, that last possession, we got all the way down there with that long pass to Bum. Stupid mistake, a penalty. I don't know who it was on. They can't tell us. That's okay. Let it go. But the stupid mistakes like we had in practice that 1 week. One little mistake messes up the entire play. And then the next play, some other person makes one little mistake. All right, quit doing that. Think about the play. And we'll win this.
And guys, you act like this 14 points is enough.
It's not.
Guys, it's not. It's not.
We should be 28-30 nothing right now.
Yes. Get our mentality like we knew how to play. Do our assignment.
This is not how we play. We play physical, we play hard.
Hey, I want y'all to leave y'all's heart and soul on this field, all right?
Where you at, bro?
All right. Come get in here.
We gotta play like a family, dude. We got 135 left, okay? We gotta play like a family, bruh. We ain't playing like we did yesterday. Y'all gotta talk. Y'all gotta communicate. We a family. We're gonna come out here and we're gonna hit them hard. Alright? That's all I gotta say.
Hold on. But if you make a bad play, don't get down on yourself, bro. Just what happened in the first half? It's over. The second half. Let's go.
Hey, family on me, family on 3.
1, 2, 3, family! I get that intensity.
Yes, sir.
I don't understand why we're walking right now. Y'all want to be done, I'll go tell them, hey, we're ready to go home. Is that what y'all want? Start flying around this field. Y'all didn't fight these last 2 games to be walking around. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I told you I wanted everything you had left. You walking around is not it. 2-score game. We have plenty of opportunity and we've had it. And we're going to keep having it. We're going to shut them down like we have been doing on defense. And we're going to take this dub. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Hey, believe in yourself. Kickoff return. Right here. Let's go. Fight on 3. Get in here. Fight on 3 and you better be loud. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, fight!
What? Who that looks back? Faster! Go! Catch it.
Go!
You good, Hayden? You good?
Pass incomplete.
That's not my pass.
Everybody get right.
Hey, watch 6 on the outside, okay? Watch 6 on the outside, all right? Hey, but do not let your receivers go because they may fake it and he may throw it. He may roll out and throw it, okay? So stick on your men. Stick on your men. All right, defense. Let's go.
Let's go play some Dirty Birds football, boys. Hey.
About the pass. There's the handout over the middle. Anybody. Burrows down. Handoff. Back to pass. Roll. Incomplete. Turnover on down. Dirty Birds. Make sure those.
I went up the middle.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Good block. Great block.
There you go.
Let's go. Come on, boys. Go. No.
Yes, sir, Heath.
What's up? Get long. Out the middle.
Get the ball, sir.
Hey, guys. O-line. Don't stand there. Push.
Bum, way to run ball. Alright, get a breather.
Me and Bum think Rocket might work.
Alright, we're not going for it, guys. We're punting the ball.
He's snapping.
Okay, good.
All right, so we need somebody to come off. All right?
Chris, take red spot.
That or buck sweep. Well, they're locking that down. If they're on buck sweep for me, because they'll think tie.
Red. Yeah, Chris, take red spot.
400 and tie.
Jackson.
Yeah, you're right. You're
Pull
right.
it deep, my side, out of bounds.
Ready for his punt? Ball will be down at the 9-yard line. So the Raiders will take over. Up the middle. Oh, strong run. Maybe gain a couple on the play. Tackle made by number 52. Handoff. Gain of maybe.
I would, but you keep getting in a 2-point stance on me and standing up.
I'll get a 4-point.
When they go on a hard count, this is what's happening. And you getting backwards. If you get in a 3-point stance and stay down, we got to deal with it. If you get back up, you stand out.
You want to do 3 points?
Go to the end.
Just knock their teeth out, bro. Just got to knock their teeth out. Come and hit them, bro.
Michael, you're on this side.
Lost 24.
Let's go!
Good man. Set ball 3. Taylor.
Right here.
That'll work.
Oh, yeah!
Not bad.
They're sending everybody up the middle. Everybody.
Middle of the field's wide open though. I got you.
Oh yeah.
Hey, we're gonna go back to we'll throw those slants. Swing out and then cut it up to like
like a swing good.
Yeah, like a
Okay.
where he's dropping back. Up on the edge.
Oh yeah. So if we're going front, okay.
Yeah. Because yeah,
I go in front and like swing out.
Hey, is that man again? Is that man again? Jack of all trades, Taylor.
They got to give him a warning first, baby.
Hey, Jack. That a ball you playing now.
Go.
Leo.
Go to the outside linebacker. You come over here to this corner. Okay. So 6 is in here. They're trying. What they're doing is going to single him out right up here for a pass.
Okay.
All right. Middle linebacker. Get back there. You get middle linebacker. Go.
Well, there, I'll copy.
Stay with your wing. All right. Guys, let's go.
I know he's running. That's not new.
Motion! They're here!
Over the middle.
Good job. Hey,
49 hit me off balance when I went over there.
Handoff. Tackle for a loss. Get right. Flags on the play. Sheets on the carry. Throws. Pass incomplete. Pass incomplete. Punts. Ball goes out of bounds at the.
Go!
Take the handoff. Still going. Still going. Nice run. Far from 6 yards.
Go.
Snap. He throws. Oh, he was wide open.
There you go! Oh, yeah! There you go, Boo!
He throws. Intercepted. Hard to get that man down. Takes the handoff. A lot of room. Get to the sideline. Hey, will not get him. Exclamation point. Touchdown.
Mitchell, kick it deep as you want. Hey, kickoff, come here. Is that sheet you need break?
Yes.
Hey,
Every single minute. Hey. They ain't got to block. They ain't got to block. I'm gonna take it in my own hands. I'm done.
Hey, there you go. There you go. That baby. I love it. I love that run. Hey, I seen you pick up speed out there. I seen it, and I knew you was gone. I knew you was gone. That's my boy. I love it. I love it.
Why didn't you do a backflip, bro?
A backflip.
That was good. Move that thing, Mitchell. Move it.
Beautiful kick.
hey.
Hey, that's a touchback.
That's touchback.
I told you.
Hey, Mitchell, that's a touchback, baby. That's a touchback. Look at that kick.
Good kick, buddy.
Hey, they're big leg.
Dirty Bird fans, y'all go ahead and start celebrating.
Defense. Stay on this side.
Bearcat Raider fans, y'all hold our head up too. Y'all had a great season. Y'all made it to the championship. They snap and pass. Pass complete. Time for a loss. We'll see you in the fall.
Let's go. Hey, y'all, good game. Good game, y'all. Good game. Hey, good game, man. Good game. Good game. Good game. Good game.
Undefeated. Yes, sir.
That's how it.
That's how it goes, baby. Hey,
Hey, watch this. There's a hair mark.
Hey, bro. Watch out, watch out. Yes, sir.
How you feel? Hey, parents, come on. Yeah, they was etching out here slowly.
Dude, we have fans.
Oh, he did a cartwheel. Good job, guys. Now.
Take your helmet off. I saw Cam.
Oh, wow. That was horrible.
Hey.
Woo!
Who's out? Who's out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Guys, listen to me.
You're right. That's a good one. That's a good one.
What did I tell y'all we was after?
Super Bowl.
Super Bowl. What else?
Championship.
Ring.
Yeah.
Ring. Come on, fellas.
That means Super Bowl.
Ring. Fellas, we made this step tonight. We got one more. Everything we worked for all season. One more game. All right?
Yes, sir.
Guys, great job. Great job. Y'all celebrate, fellas. Y'all deserve it.
You guys turn around.
Party at Coach Jay's house.
Margaritas on
Yes,
me.
sir.
Yes,
It is with great pleasure. I get to present to y'all the 14U Spring Championship.
Go get it.
Go get it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Hey, bro. Yes, sir. Hey, let's go.
Y'all stink! Hey, you gotta lower this. Where's Coach? Where's Coach? Brandon!
Brandon, you own it. Capture Star has to get it.
Yeah. Yeah. Here you go. Hey guys, I want a team picture with this in the front, right there. Let's go. Hey, the cheerleaders want one with y'all guys. Hey, we can run up now.
What are y'all gonna do?
Don't cover the trophy. We're undefeated.
Hey, boys, one.
Wrap it up.
You want to take a picture of the trophy? My boys are going to go back here. I'm going to talk to them real quick. We got a lot of work to do this week in practice.
Yes, sir.
We're not perfect by no means. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we play 2 games, 2 days, right?
Yes, sir.
So look, take tomorrow off. Y'all play 2 games in 2 days. Y'all deserve it. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Anything else, coaches?
I'm good.
Let's break down one more. Hey, we had some great plays tonight, right? Yep. Everybody played hard when they needed to. But if I had to pick MVP, it'd go to 2 players, Bum and Jack.
Yeah.
Let's go back, man.
Guys, y'all played with a lot of heart, and I'm not saying the rest of you didn't. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Look, and Zach, where you at, bud?
Right here.
Zach.
You got to be one too, buddy. I'm sorry.
Yeah, he's right there
You
too.
and one of them too.
Zach's right there too.
Guys, it's so hard to pick captains on a game day with this team. I'm just saying it's hard, is it not, guys?
Yeah.
I mean,
Everybody's played.
everybody's played hard. All right. Come on, all of you. We all got to answer questions. Let's go.
You guys had a tough out game out there. How can you use this type of game? It was a grind out game. You guys pulled it on out, separate yourself in the end. What can you do to take this going forward?
We just got to practice. That's all it's going to take. We got to get better. Our line's got to get better. That's where it starts, line.
Okay.
That's what we got to improve on.
After watching you guys the last couple of days, I mean, really, you guys play hard. In particular, number 1, number 5, those guys don't even slow down. I mean, it's just like they're just running like Mack trucks or whatever. So is that, what can you tell me about that in terms of your grittiness with your players?
Man, we're low key. We're not about the hype. We don't care if teams in Charlotte know who we are, Hickory, wherever. We play dirty bird football. That's what makes us different from anybody else.
Yeah, and like you said, not to single out any of your players, but I was just, pointing out all your players play hard, and so that's what I kind of want to kind of understand, and what's going on here with this. This is dirty bird football. This is what I'm experiencing here.
Starts in practice.
Starts in practice. Okay.
We push intensity.
Yeah.
Intensity is a big key.
Congratulations on that championship victory, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so hey, how does it feel to be a champion here?
I mean, it feels good. I mean, we play like champions, so I think we deserve it.
Yeah. So you guys kind of control the game, but it still was never like out of the way. So you guys still had to make plays throughout. So how does it feel to play in that type of game?
I mean, it's a tight game. It was both hard fought. Win. I mean, we just executed our plays.
Okay. So what can you take forward going into the next game from this particular experience?
I mean, just keep moving. I mean, execute our plays and play defense.
Okay. All right. Congratulations. Your whole team plays extremely well. I mean, I've been really impressed with what you guys have done as a team. What can you tell me about that?
It's just a lot of hard work and practice. That's all I got. I've been practicing. I've played linebacker my whole life since I was in first grade. And then this is my first year as a running back, so.
What? No, you got to be kidding me.
Nah, this is my first year.
You have to be kidding me.
Started last Dirty Bird year.
Yeah.
Running back,
Wow.
first year ever.
Wow. And you're fast. That's what I noticed too. That's what I noticed also. So same here with you. I mean, you're tall, long, lanky. You know, I know they were pretty concerned about, you know, what you were doing in terms of once you get the ball. I mean, I know they even mentioned that. So, what's some of your strengths in terms of what you do out there?
Focus on footwork and get outside, use stiff arm, just try to get around them.
Yeah.
And just use speed to your advantage.
Yeah. So you guys as a team, y'all look like you had a bond. I know at halftime you was preaching, you know, talking about, you know, family and making sure you guys come out there strong. And yeah, I'm sure all of you guys want to have a bigger victory, but nevertheless, it was really impressive. So what can you do to take from this particular game going into the next game with what this experience was?
We need to learn that we need to play strong throughout the whole time, because usually we play strong first quarter and we give up, but then, you know, we always come back. We need to play hard the whole time.
Yeah, we also need to work better as a team too.
Yeah.
We kind of fell off at the end.
We need to stop arguing.
Okay.
I want you to break it down the way we do, real loud.
And let them hear us back in Wilkes County.
Yes, listen, you don't have to get your stuff right now. Go take your individual pictures. Enjoy the moment. All right? Know that we got to go back to work on Tuesday, right?
Yes, sir.
Jack, break us down.
Hey, let them hear us. Let them hear y'all in Wilkes County.
Ready? Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3.